The surge of new COVID cases continues, and that means the demand for testing is rising. But this is creating some questions as to whether mandates or restrictions will find their way back into our lives. As Mike McDaniel explains, there hasn't been much talk about it publicly from New Orleans City Hall, but we're starting to see some precautionary efforts along with a plea when it comes to testing.
It's a single-day record. More than 9,300 new COVID cases reported Wednesday in Louisiana. That beats the previous high of just more than 7,500 back in August during the Delta surge.
It's all over South Louisiana. Where you go to Baton Rouge, Northshore, wherever, it's everywhere.
Dr. Julio Figueroa with LSU Health says the Omicron variant is popping up in large numbers among younger populations.
Given Omicron's high transmissibility, that if you are in a group where there's been an individual who tested positive and you are having symptoms, that you probably have it.
With New Orleans' COVID threat level currently in the highest tier of severe outbreak, the city council is reinstating a mask mandate inside all council offices, and meetings are back to virtual. It's a temporary move the council president calls a precaution. Eyewitness News reached out to City Hall, but no word from the mayor's office on what the city is doing. The city's health department is asking folks to mask up and stay out of emergency rooms for COVID testing.
If you are feeling symptomatic in any way, presume you're positive and stay home. Don't go to the ER if you're just mildly symptomatic. You know, they don't have any more repository of tests than anybody else.
It's also an issue in Jefferson Parish. Parish President Cynthia Lee Shang took to social media, calling it a tremendous strain on healthcare workers and resources.
What we understand is that all the hospitals don't have the time or the manpower to do the testing.
AccuReference Medical Lab is working in Jefferson and Orleans parishes, trying to help with demand.
We're so happy to be out here and help people. That's just what we do.
Medical leaders say it also comes down to helping yourself, to things like vaccines, boosters, and masks. Mike McDaniel, Eyewitness News.
Tomorrow, the governor and medical leaders from across the state are set to hold a virtual briefing on COVID and the Omicron variant.